So, one of the major challenges before starting to learn or experiment with SQL databases and eventually start building projects using these relational database management systems is the pain of setting up heavy softwares like mySQL, Workbench, and PG Admin that requires a significant amount of configuration and time. Adminer, however, is a lightweight tool for managing content in databases that I stumbled upon quite recently, which solves this issue and might save you a ton of time. All you need is Docker desktop set up on your computer and preferably an IDE like VS Code, and you're good to go. To begin, open up your favorite IDE. I'll be using VS Code for this tutorial. Then create a new file named dockercompose.yaml and define the version for Docker Compose. Moving forward, define the services. We will be using mySQL as the database in this video. Make sure to restart the container and define the MySQL environment variables as per your needs. By default, MySQL runs on port 3306, which might not always be available on your machine, so change it to 307 to give it a range. Make sure to correctly define the path for setting up the volumes where your data would be stored. Next up, open up your terminal in VS Code or elsewhere and enter the command docker compose up build, which will create the images for the services that we are using, that is the database and adminer, and it will create this folder with data as name. The images would reflect on your Docker engine as such. Now open up your browser and visit localhost port 8080 and enter the username, the password, and the database name as it was defined in your environment variables. So as we can see, you can very easily define the SQL queries here, and the visualizer variable shows the structure